pretty high. It's all right. YOLO. Yep. She was slippery as fuck.
Just
no, I'm good.
Next time you go, just go faster.
Yeah.
And don't like try to stand up. Like try to like lean sideways.
Hi, I know. I tried.
You won't fall.
Out of my fucking eyes. Woo! YOLO. That's why people not going there. It's just a little bit slippery because of the water. And I'm starting to feel the fatigue. Even on the fucking Mars. Bikies, breakies, muddy. What? That's nice. The fuck is she talking about? Okay, break. Break! I mean like, break. Not like, break. Huh?
It's getting warm, eh?
I'm like melty.
Yeah.
It's getting warm. Fuck you, Brian. Pussy ass nigga.